Alright folks, so I did it again. I totally forgot to check the uh, camera before I started working. But today we're just doing a little quick maintenance on the coop. It's been 1 year since I built this thing, approximately. And today we're just gonna get rid of all the uh, shavings and poop and everything that's broken down. I've added to this several times throughout the year. I let it degrade a bit because I knew I was gonna clean it out at this point. But you can see how easy it is to scrape everything out of here. And I'm just repositioning the nest boxes and throwing in some fresh chips. Put the roost back in. Now the chickens will spread out the chips in a few minutes, so it's not a big deal. So at this point, I gotta take out the feeder and the old roost. I'm pointing out that there's a little bit of a mess that I'm going to scrape out, and I'm repairing the light at this point. So that worked out pretty good with a couple hooks. Now I'm just going to scrape the bottom a little bit more, add the chips. I cleaned the feeder, put it back in full, shortened up the roost for the bottom, and you'll see within just a few minutes of closing this up, I'll have 4 eggs up in the top. Thanks for watching.